Interesting thing about the 2017 Ford Transit 250s, I'm not sure about the other trim models, that we have a spot for an in-cabin air filter. Your vehicle does not have one. There's not one made for it. To improve the quality of stay within the van, we ended up picking this one up off of Amazon, but Grainger does sell it. I've included the part numbers below if you do have a 2017 Ford Transit. So we're gonna be needing our air filter. And we're gonna be needing our van. In order to access your in-air cabin filter void, to press these two buttons, the glove compartment falls down, and then you have this small compartment here, and there is the void of where the cabin filter will go. Cabin filter. And one thing to note before you install it, just make sure that your arrow indicating your airflow is pointing down. And all that's left is for you to slide it on in. And that is your air cabin filter.